15, 2.5. It's been about a week. Let's see if I can move this, because kind of strained my lower back muscle. So, gotta be careful. Go! Not a personal best, but decent. 1 minute 8 seconds. Considering I had slightly strained the muscle near my L5, bulging L5. I think that's pretty good. I'll hit it again Tuesday. I believe.